Welcome to Oracle Service Cloud Tips and Tricks with CPI. My name is Derek. What we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at holidays as they exist within your Oracle Service Cloud instance. One of the things that we find is that it's good to have a regular cadence and when you actually take a look at the hours that are set up, because what you may find is that you may only have certain years set up, or you may have even slipped your mind to set up this upcoming year's holidays. So with that said, let's go on to Oracle Service Cloud and let's take a look to see exactly what we can do in order to get this set up. So here's Oracle Service Cloud. We're going to go to Configuration. We're going to open Service Configuration. And under Service Configuration, we'll see Holidays. Once we have Holidays open, you'll see all of the current holidays that you have set up in your system. Now, we don't actually have any set up for this year, so I'll go ahead and make a new one. So I'll go ahead and click New. And what will happen is that you'll actually see the new holiday appear where we can actually enter in a new holiday name and the date and which interface it's available. So I'll just call this one New Holiday. I will say that this is actually, I'll just pick a random date here. And we do want it to show up on this interface. So at this point, we're done. So we've gone ahead and added a new holiday. And you'll need to repeat this step for every single new holiday that you'd like to add to the system. So we'll go ahead and save that. Now that's the first part. The one thing that you'll also want to do is that once you actually do save this holiday, you'll want to go ahead and now add it to any chat hours or SLA agreements that you have, so that what you'd actually have is you'd have that particular holiday available in those SLAs. So let's go to SLAs first. So it's actually in the same area of service configuration. We'll go ahead and open that up, and we'll add that to this test SLA. So as we open this, what we're going to find are all the SLAs that are associated to this particular item here. We'll just give it a moment. Okay, now that it's open, what we can do is we can actually set the response requirements. So we'll click on Edit, and all the response requirements will appear. And what we'll want to make sure is that in our list of holidays that observed, we actually have checked off the new holiday that we've identified. At that point, we can go ahead and say OK, and we're ready and set for that new SLA to have that new holiday as part of those hours. The other thing that we're going to want to do is we're also going to want to check chat hours, right? So if you do have chat enabled on your site, you'll want to make that adjustment so that it will know that you're not going to be open for that particular day. So where you'll find that is under Site Configuration, Interfaces. We'll click on the interface that we're talking about, and then right above at the very top, we'll see Chat Hours. And we'll go ahead and click on Chat Hours. Here, you'll be able to see all of the hours of operation, and what you'll be able to see are all the holidays that are observed by your organization. So here, we can go ahead, check off New Holiday, and we'll be set. Let me go ahead and save that. So with that said, that actually allows us to then get all the different holidays that we actually were looking for. So with that, I do want to invite you guys to come visit us at www.cpi.Solutions. If you have any questions or anything like that. Also, if you have any creative or interesting ways that you use holidays, share in the comments below, right? So until next time, thanks.